Hey, how's everyone doing out there today? This is Chris with Twisted Prints 3D and Engraving. We got a package in today from Monport Lasers. It is their four-wheel rotary, the red one. We're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing on this one. We're not going to do the setup. That'll be in later videos and all that. Just see how it's set up, what comes in the box, and we will go from there. Also, going to be doing this one from my phone. Don't have all the cameras and stuff set up right now. Just trying to do this one, give people an idea what they can expect in the box. And I will put a link in the description below for this rotary or any of the other Monport stuff or any other items you may need. All right, let's give this a shot here. Don't look at the messy floor. Kids are home on Christmas break and still trying to get caught up from the holiday season and all them orders. So let's go ahead and just get this thing cut open here real quick. Monport's usually pretty good about their boxing everything. It's usually boxed up real nice. I know the laser, when I got it, was in a huge crate. It took longer to uncrate the thing and unbox it than it did to actually set it up, and I have videos coming up on that here in the next couple weeks also on that machine. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Nice thick foam there on top. So this is what we're going to be looking at today from Monport. Got the user manual. Looks like we got a little bag with some Allen keys, extra O-rings, a wrench, some levels, some extra parts in there. And then there's the rotary. So let's see here. Let's take this off. We got our connector. Got that. All right. I'm going to go ahead and set my phone down real quick just so I can get this out, and then we will set it up on the box and take a look at it. All right, got it out of the box. One thing I will say when you're taking it out, kind of be careful. One of the O-rings popped off the wheel, but you know, they're easy to put back on. Well, maybe with two hands. Not that bad with one hand. So we got that. Here's your little hold down clamp. It's got a end stop for the front there. There, the front wheels have 3 O-rings on them. Back wheels have 2. We got the adjustable backstop right here. Oops. Let me tighten that down here. It's got a little turn knob just so you can kind of see that holds it down into the rail there. But we got the adjustable end stop. Adjustable clamp to hold it in, which I will say is a lot better than their other roller. I have that one also, not a big fan of it. It likes to throw cups. You got to weight them down. There are some other issues with that. But again, I have a video coming up on that one also. One thing I do want to say is I am an affiliate with Monport, but Monport is not sponsoring the video. I did pay for this out of my own pocket. All my lasers and everything that I have to date are all paid for by me. One thing I will say on this one, seems like a lot better quality than the other one. I do like the fact it's got a little ruler right here, and it's got a nice little quick adjusting knob. And we'll take a look at it a little bit closer, but makes it pretty easy to go up and down. We'll scoot over this way. We got our 4-pin connector right there. We'll come over here. We got the up and down. And as you can kind of see in here, and I'll try to zoom in here a little bit. Sorry for the shakiness, folks. It's got a little gear to raise it up and down. So it's got a little gear reduction on it. So much easier than trying to get this, you know, with the little turn knob and stuff like that. So that's what we got there. We will get this thing set up in the next couple days and give everybody a better review. Just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of what this is like. We'll run out to my shop real quick and I will get you show you what their black one is, and you can kind of see the difference. All right, we're out in the shop now. Here's the black stationary one that Monport has. To adjust it, you got to turn these knobs, turn this up and down, do all that. To do this, you got to go back and forth. Same size wheels, front and back, dual O-rings. The main thing I don't like about this one is there is no clamp. There's nothing to hold the cup in. I know there's a lot of other rotaries out there like that. This one, it likes to throw cups. I'm just going to be honest. It really likes to throw cups. As you can see, we're there, the 90 watt. Yes, I have my lights covered with painter's tape. A lot of people have asked me why I do that. It's mainly for my light burn camera that sits right up there. Gives me a better view if I've only got the backlight going. But we're going to, we got a bunch of videos coming up here soon on this 90 watt CO2 Monport Laser with the built-in chiller. And we're going to be doing a live Q&A here in the next few weeks also on some of the other Monport stuff and machines that are out there. All right, everybody, I hope you had a great Christmas and happy holidays and happy New Year, everyone. And we will probably talk to you after the new year in 2025. Have a great rest of your year, folks.